Welcome to my presentation. And my presentation topic on General Accounting Policies of Foreign Exchange Department. And this now my presentation outline. First, introduction. Second, objective of the study. Third, methodology of the study. Fourth, organization overview. Fifth, objective of National Bank Limited. Fifth, division of National Bank Limited. Six, analysis. Seven, findings and recommendation. And finally, conclusion. Introduction. We are living in global village now. National Bank Limited is competing with other government and non-government banks. In this regard, National Bank Limited was formed as a private bank in 1983 during the short span of only 34 years. At present, the bank is operating with 179 branches and 15 SME branches all over the country. Objective of the study. Objective of the study are two types. First one, board objective. Second one, specific objective. To acquainted with the different issue of foreign trade of National Bank Limited. To get an overall idea about the foreign exchange business of National Bank Limited. To analyze the accounting system of the bank. To find out any contributing field. To examine the profitability and productivity of the bank. To acquire knowledge about the everyday banking operation of National Bank Limited, to understand the real management situation and try recommend for improving existing problems. Methodology of the study. The report more meaningful and presentable. Two sources of data and information have been used widely. First, primary data, and second, secondary data. Primary data, official record of National Bank Limited, face-to-face conversation with the bank officers and staff, personal interview, personal observation, observing the procedure of banking activities followed by each department, daily diary, relevant file study as provided by the concerned officer. Secondary data, annual report on National Bank Limited, monthly statement of entry, organizational overview. Organization overview, mission and vision. NBL mission is to continue its support for expansion of activities. It is also putting highest priority ensuring transparency, accounting availability, and improved client service. Vision. NBL vision ensuring high standard of clientele service through best acquisition of latest information technology, making due contribution to the national economy and establishing National Bank firmly at home and abroad as a front-ranking bank of the country have been its objective of the National Bank Limited. 1. Strategic objectives. 2. Strategic objectives of National Bank Limited: to increase service by efficient employees, to increase deposit mobilization for smooth functioning of foreign trade, establishing large financial objectives of National Bank Limited, to achieve 20% return on shareholders' equity or more on division of National Bank Limited. Human Resource Division, International Division, Credit Division, IT Division, Audit and Compliance Division, Training Division, Foreign Exchange Trade Division, Loan. And my report, very important part of analysis. Analysis. Foreign remittance. National Bank 2013 foreign remittance brought into the country through National Bank was US dollar 645.97 million, showing an increase of US dollar 63.5 million over the previous year. This growth was possible due to introduction of different instant payment products and technology, including extending SWIFT, online EFT, etc. And future efforts are being made for more speedy payments. Findings and recommendation. Findings. Import trade finance by National Bank Limited has been decreased to Taka 77,539.77 million in the year 2013, compared with Take 78,226.3 million in 2012. The decreased take is 0.89%. The bank established a faster network system within its branches, then it can easily transfer data within shorter period of time. National Bank Limited should increase the number of ATM booths. Bank should offer new packages to attract new customer as well as existing customer. Now my presentation last topic on conclusion. It can be concluded that National Bank Limited is performing its foreign trade performance in a very efficient way. National Bank Limited is well positioned to meet the challenge and will take the opportunity of benefit from economic growth. The bank would serve as partner and advisor of the clients or trade, commerce and industry. The strategy is supported by wide spectrum of products and service. This bank always tries to increase its foreign exchange performance. Thank you.